Look at this breakfast, y'all. Hash browns, biscuits and gravy, bacon, vanilla yogurt with real root blueberries. I mean, and a banana, cranberry juice. Heck yeah, y'all. Look at that. That's not a continental breakfast. That's a real breakfast from the hotel. Sweet. Woo, on the road again. Da 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 da, road again. Okay, leaving Amarillo. It is so freaking humid. You're gonna be hearing me say that a lot. I am used to dry Arizona air. There's clouds in the sky, and you can see the humidity. I mean, you can see it. So, all right. So today's agenda: go to a place that starts with an M in Arkansas. I forget the name of the place. Wow, that is really flat. I'm sorry. I know you guys can't see it, but in front of me, I mean, it's just like the level is just flat. Wow. Okay. Here's to another day, another adventure. God, can you guys hear that? These things are huge. And there's like a storm coming in that I'm actually going to be driving right into. So, yeah, it's pretty cool weather right now. I had to stop in front of this. Pull off of the highway. It's moving fast too. The sky's been getting progressively darker and darker. That's so cool, isn't it? The sound coming off of that is just insane. Look at that. I have never seen that before. You can see where the clouds are. You only see the bottom. That's awesome. Wow. Top part is dipping into the clouds. How awesome is that? Okay, what I'm going to show you guys is really cool. I looked it up already, and what this is. Now, there was just a thunderstorm that just came through here, okay? And this is what happens when you see the after effects of a lightning strike, okay? This is cool. Look at this. Now, I'm going to... Yeah, right there. You see the smoke coming out of the ground there? There's another one right over there. And I took a picture and I uploaded it, and I asked, you know, an AI, what the hell is this? And it is classic textbook from a lightning strike. Look at that! How freaking cool is that I got to see that? A little bit of smoke coming off of that one, but not like this one. That's how hot it was. Wow. There's a storm. The storm did come through. Maybe there's another one coming after it, I don't know. But I know the roads are wet. Everything's wet. So, I mean, yeah, there was a lightning or a thunderstorm that came through. But that is cool. That is so cool. Like, I was here in time to see it smoking. Wow. I saw something in the Sinclair station that I've never had it before, but I'm going to try it. Cherry mash. We don't have this in my neck of the woods. It says it's from St. Joseph, Missouri. An American favorite since 1918. We have one that's like what's called a big cherry, but not something called cherry mash. So I'm gonna try it because it's chocolate and cherry and peanut. don't have my glasses on. Let's see. Oh, I can see again. Chocolate, cherries, ground roasted peanuts, and a bunch of other stuff that is really, really good, but not good for you. All right, so I am right now about maybe 30, could be 20 miles away from the Arkansas border. This is all uncharted territory for me. I have not been this far past of Oklahoma City, and usually when I hit Oklahoma, last time I did this kind of a trip, or an extensive trip, it was going up to go through Missouri. This is all uncharted for me. Never been in this area before, and the whole duration of it, going through the deep south, up through the Carolinas, Rhode Island, I mean, all that. I have been to Virginia, parts of Virginia and DC, and parts of Maryland before, but not as extensive as I'm going to be driving through. So, yeah. Oh, cherry mash. I am so glad I bought 2 of these. I figured, you know, with cherry, I would absolutely want 2 of them. So I did. Oh my. This is heavenly. This is divine. Hey. I'm in a town called Morrilton, Arkansas. And there's thunderstorms coming. Let me set you down right here. There's thunderstorms coming, and it's like I was gonna go through Little Rock and just past it, but I turned come here. I turned off just so I can go ahead and stretch my legs, and I didn't like what the sky looked like. Clouds are moving fast, and I know I'm kind of like right in the middle of Tornado Alley. So this is where I'm at. And there's frogs. I hear frogs in there. There's just some lightning over there. So, yeah. So anyways, I pull off and I see a Motel 6, and I'm like, oh boy. Is this a Motel 6 or is it a Motel 6? It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. It was only $69 a night. That's with taxes and everything. Considering it's a Sunday weekend rate. Wow. Tomorrow, I will be landing in Georgia. We're gonna go through Memphis, Tennessee, down through Mississippi, through Alabama, bugs, and into Georgia. I'll be staying somewhere, I presume, starting to rain again, thunder. I'm gonna be staying somewhere between Atlanta and Augusta. Not sure yet, but that's my goal, is to get over in that area. Okay, I gotta get away from the bugs. So, this is where I'm at. All right, you guys, get away, bug. All right, so you guys stay awesome, and I will see you tomorrow.